Kia Too Technical. I'm back again with another video, and the kind people over at Swan Scout, if that's how you say it, they sent me over their wireless charging station. So pretty much it shows the time display. You have simultaneous charging and phone stand. So pretty much this is what it will look like. So let's get this unboxed real quick. Let me get my knife. The one I have is for iPhone products. They do have it to where you can get different ones for Samsung devices, but I just did the one for the iPhone. This is their little card, the warranty. This is their website. You can pause that if you want to and read it for yourself. They are on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. Put that there. Let's get this little buddy out of here. This is the cables, as you can see. And let's see what it will look like. Okay, so here it is. This is what it looks like. Hold on, let me pull this off real quick. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Show the time there. Get your power button there. Volume up and down button. This medium button on the back here. This is where you would put your Apple Watch if you have one. I do not currently have one at the moment, but this is where that will go. And then your AirPods will sit here. So pretty much it's USB-C. Let's get this connected real quick. See if we can get a little quick demonstration of what this will look like. So pretty much you just plug it in like so. Is it cut up? Let's see here. It's off. Gonna have to change the time because that's not the time. But let's cut it on. I think it, hold on, let's see here. Power on, but I believe it's probably dead. Hold on, let me get my iPhone and my AirPods because I do not have an Apple Watch at the moment. So I cannot demonstrate that, but pretty much you would sit your AirPods here. But I want to get this cut on so we can do the demonstration. But this is what it's gonna look like pretty much with everything sitting on there. And then if you had your Apple Watch, it'll just sit here. But I do not currently have an Apple Watch, and I believe it is currently it's on, but it's dead. I think I need to, there we go. There we go. There's the time. Okay, there we go. Sorry about that. I don't know why I was acting weird, but as you can see, it's currently charging. And then you can come back here, put your AirPods Pro, I guess here. Boom, and just like that, it is charging your AirPods Pro. As you can see, the red light indicates that. And like I said, I cannot demonstrate that because I do not have an Apple Watch at the moment. But pretty much this is cool because you could just sit this on your desk and you'll get a time. And it is currently charging up your Apple Watch, iPhone, and also it can charge up your AirPods at the exact same time. So now let me take you over to their website so you can see how much this will run you if this is a product that you want to get for yourself. Let's see here. Let's go type it in. And I will also make sure I drop a link in the description. So you can go pick this up for yourself, because I do recommend it. You know, these are nice to have sitting on your desktop or at your work office, or however you want to put it. These are nice to have. And see, they have all different kinds. So they have one for your Samsung products. Then they have one for the flips. And then this is the one that I currently have. It'll run you $43.99 plus tax. And then they have a double one where you can charge up 2 smartphones and AirPods. And they have some specifically for Google Pixel devices, as you can see. This is what they look like. But this is the one I currently have, the one they currently sent me out. Pretty much it just shows you what you can charge up and how it look on your desktop. So I will make sure I drop a link in the description so you can go pick this up for yourself, because like I said, this is something that everybody should want, you know, to charge up their devices. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.